Okay, today we're just going to pop this thing apart, maybe, and take a look at what's on the inside. Alright, those of you guys with sensitive dispositions might not want to watch this part. Oh, right. Oh my Lord, that thing is huge. Okay. All right. Now, this thing is actually, the wires don't look burned. That doesn't look to be in too bad a shape. And it looks like if I really want to get into it, I could be able to pull these ends out and maybe change the arrangement, but we're probably not going to do that. We're just going to stick magnets on it and go to town. Okay. Let's set this down here. Now this thing, that is very large. I'm gonna have to go through, gonna take a closer look at those coils. It looks like there was some stuff that got hit on the laminations. But basically what we're going to do is we're just going to mill the, every 90 degrees we're going to mill a slot, and we're going to put a great big old magnet on it, north, south, all the way around. And that's why I like these so much, is that's all it takes. After that, this is a generator. Now, how much power we can get out of it, if I get my magnets real precise, I use big powerful magnets, we're going to get more power, but we're probably not going to work too hard. It's going to be, close, but that's all we're trying for. And I'm excited. So, as always, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, please hit the subscribe button. Hopefully I will have another update on this by the weekend, maybe early next week, and maybe we'll have gotten project number 3 over here to where I can start filming that a little bit. So hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.